Hello, can we solve this question? I promise the question is very simple. What is the molecular formula of a compound with the empirical formula CH2O and vapor density of 90? Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, click on the plus sign for more videos. Experiment proves that whenever you heat a substance and it evaporates, or whenever a substance evaporates, the density of the vapor is half of the molecular mass of that substance. So from here, vapor density of this substance was given, not the molecular mass. But we require the molecular mass to calculate the molecular formula. So vapor density is always half of the molecular mass. So if that is so, molecular mass is going to be double of the vapor density. So from here, we can see that molecular mass is 2 times this 90, which gives us 180. So the molecular mass of this particular substance that we don't know is 180. From there, we move on to calculate the molecular formula. So the molecular formula is gotten by this. When you multiply the empirical formula with a certain whole number, let's call it x, you are going to get the molecular formula. Empirical formula multiplied by a certain whole number definitely gives you the molecular formula. Now, which means that molecular mass of the empirical formula equals molecular mass of the molecular formula. So, having known this, remember that the molecular mass, we now know the molecular mass of this substance, but we don't know the molecular mass of the empirical formula. The molecular mass of the substance is 180. The molecular mass of the empirical formula is calculated by adding all the atomic masses of the elements here. The atomic mass for carbon is 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. So we compute that. We plug in the figures here. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, but it is two atoms here, plus oxygen 16 times x will give you 180. That is the molecular formula mass. So 12 plus 1 times 2, 2, plus 16 times x will give you 180. The whole of this is 30. So 30x equals 180. 1x will be 180 divided by 30. Since it is times 30, when it crosses over equality sign, it becomes divided by 30. When you do your calculation, you get that x is 6. Therefore, if x is 6, the molecular formula is going to be empirical formula enclosed in a bracket times x, and now our x is 6. So once this x has become a number, this is no longer empirical formula but molecular formula. You can represent it as this. Carbon is 1 here times 6, that is C6. Hydrogen is 2 here times 6, H12. Oxygen is 1 times 6, O6. So that is the molecular formula. If you check the option, you see the answer there, and that is D. If you found value in this video, just comment, like, and share it so that students that need it for their exams will get to see it. Have a nice day. Bye.